Hey, world history students, this is Roseman here, and welcome to the first day of class, assuming you're watching this on August 20th, which is the first day. And so I've emailed you all a couple times just to make sure you're seeing an overview of what's going on. But this is world history. Remember, I was able to cut 5 modules because of changes that the state has made in the curriculum that really goes into full effect this coming school year. And so that should make this a little bit more doable. Most modules have so each module will open at a certain time. Module 1 is open now, and it's on historical methods and primary sources and secondary sources and how you do research and why we study history and things like that. It's already open, and it's going to be due on June 23rd, and then on June 24th, module 7, because we're able to skip ahead on the late medieval era, will open up, and then it'll be due on June 29th. And so the way I do due dates is a module is due at a time. So module 1 will all be due on June 23rd. Module 7 will all be due on June 29th. There's no due dates before that. If you miss a due date, a 0 will go in automatically, but you can still submit work for full credit until August 12th, which is when the coursework officially ends. It's an 8-week course. So all that to say, it's there. I want those zeros to go in to remind you that you're getting off pace, but I don't see a point in having any kind of a late penalty over the summer. Most modules have 4 lessons, and each lesson will have notes. Well, first of all, it'll have an intro, it'll have notes, then it'll have a quiz, and then it'll have at least one sort of assignment. Often it's going to be a discussion post or some sort of written piece that is the mastery assignment. Mastery assignments can be kind of time consuming, so make sure you set aside enough time to do that. During the semester, I usually recommend students do a lesson per day. Since it's summer and it's a little bit faster paced, even though I was able to cut 5 modules, you might want to do a little bit more than a lesson a day some days just to make sure you're on pace with things. It's pretty straightforward, not a very difficult course, but you do have to stay pretty busy to make sure you get everything done, especially over the course of 8 weeks. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out, email me, contact me through Canvas, do whatever you need to do. I will be checking my communication regularly, and I'm happy to help anytime you're confused about something that's going on. Okay, so reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, I hope you dig in, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it makes sense, and we'll be in touch soon. Thanks, guys.